Jasmine is 16 years old and was brought to That Purr after her owner passed away unexpectedly. She was brought in with two bonded friends, Tom Tom and Molly, who have since passed away. That Purr has their vet come to the cats when it's their time to pass, so there's no extra stress to them. And they never force medications or treatments. They find new and inventive ways to help them, but if a cat is no longer agreeable to it, then they stop. And when a cat arrives at the sanctuary and their name is known, then they always keep it. It may be the only thing that is still theirs after their owner passes. And every cat that enters is part of the That Purr family, and when they pass, they are never forgotten. Jasmine has severe arthritis and moves slowly in her older years, but she is still happy. She is the loudest when it comes to meal times, and she receives special targeted electromagnetic therapy for her arthritis. Sweetie was the first resident at the That Purr feline hospice and sanctuary. Sweetie's owner lived alone, and one day she fell while in her kitchen. She was unable to move, so Sweetie came and laid next to her on the floor. It took 3 days for someone to find them. He never left her side. She miraculously survived the experience and was moved into an assisted living facility. Sweetie could not go with her. The owner's family took 17-year-old Sweetie to the vet and asked what they should do with him. The vet recommended the That Purr sanctuary, and Sweetie got to live the rest of his life at the sanctuary, and his owner even came to visit him. Wriggly was brought to That Purr for hospice care when she was 18 years old. She was suffering from a neurological tremor and other health issues, and her owner just couldn't take care of her medical needs. Before long, her owner needed her own hospice care. And when that happened, the owner's other cat, Augustus, came to join the cat sanctuary. Wriggly is now 21 years old and loves to meet people and has a favorite napping spot. That Purr will be there to care for them for the rest of their lives. Silky, Smokes, and Shadow Number 2 were all taken in as feral cats by their owners. They are feral, meaning that they're frightened by humans and do not like close interaction with them. Silky and Smokes are seniors, while Shadow Number 2 is only 6. Their owners passed, and they needed somewhere to go. They couldn't be adopted due to their behavioral restraints, and they couldn't be part of a feral cat barn program as they are seniors and have lived indoors for so long. The sanctuary was able to take them in and will keep them happy and comfortable as they live out their lives. Felicia is 21 years old and blind. She was in the public shelter when That Purr rescued her. They have no idea how she got there or what her story is, but they do know that she loves to be pet, and she loves to lay by the window. She has her own little daily routine and eats really well. Their goal is to keep her happy and to make sure that she feels loved for as long as she physically feels well. And when that day comes that she no longer feels well, they will call their vet to help her pass peacefully in the space that has become her home, surrounded by the people that love her.